Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the important topic, that is mechanism of Aldol condensation reaction. Last time we have discussed about this Aldol condensation reaction in which self-Aldol condensation, cross-Aldol condensation. Now today our topic is the mechanism of that Aldol condensation reaction. So we know that the difference between the reaction and mechanism. Reaction only tells about which product, which byproduct form in the reaction, when which type of reagent used against which type of the reactant, in which condition, that only about the reaction. Reaction doesn't tell all the information about the reaction, which type of intermediate form in the reaction, that not described by the reaction, but the mechanism that gives the step-by-step description of any reaction. Therefore, mechanism is step-by-step description of reaction that tells which steps form in the reaction, which intermediate form during the reaction, all about the reaction that described by the mechanism. Now, today that Aldol condensation reaction we are going to discuss. So, this mechanism that under the 3 steps, this mechanism occur by 3 steps. So step first, removal of alpha hydrogen from aldehyde and ketone. We know that alpha hydrogen we have discussed in the Aldol condensation reaction. So in this step, first step, firstly the alpha hydrogen atom from aldehyde and ketone, those under the reaction, that alpha hydrogen atom under the removal, and after removal of that alpha hydrogen, here the formation of carbanion. So what is meant by carbanion? The species of carbon, that is carbon species that contain negative charge. Carbon species with negative charge, that carbon species called as carbanion. Those species of carbon that contain negative charge called carbanion. Here in the first step, the alpha hydrogen atom of that respective aldehyde or ketone that undergoes in Aldol condensation reaction, that alpha hydrogen atom get removed and that molecule converted to respective carbanion. That carbanion, it means that carbon species that contain negative charge on it. So how the first step occur? Firstly, we know that we use the base in this reaction. When aldehyde ketone reacted with the dilute alkali, then the Aldol condensation is occur. So alkali contain OH minus species, hydroxide ion, in which oxygen atom contain 3 lone pair of electrons, that 1, 2 and 3. When we treat aldehyde or ketone with alkali, that OH minus ion, hydroxide ion, OH minus it means hydroxide ion, that produced from alkali, that hydroxide ion attack on the respective aldehyde or ketone. For example, we are going to discuss here the example of acetaldehyd. So therefore, acetaldehyd is CS3 CHO, CS3COH. Now, in this step, we know that this is the carbonyl carbon of acetaldehyd, that is ethanol, and after that, this is the next carbon to the carbonyl carbon. Therefore, this carbon is alpha carbon. Now, this atom is alpha hydrogen. Any atom from these 3 are alpha hydrogen because they attach to alpha carbon. Now, this hydrogen atom that abstract by OH minus by donating the lone pair of electron from the oxygen atom to the hydrogen atom, but which hydrogen? Alpha hydrogen. What happened in the first step? The OH minus hydroxide ion contain oxygen atom with 3 lone pair of electrons. That oxygen donate a pair of electron to the alpha hydrogen and get abstracted toward itself. So therefore, this removal of hydrogen takes place. But this removal in which the electron pair that present in between this hydrogen carbon bond shifted toward this carbon. What happened in this step? This electron pair from oxygen donated to the hydrogen. But the two electron present in between this carbon and hydrogen bond, that electron pair shifted toward carbon. So what happened in this reaction? That OH by donating pair of electron to hydrogen abstract hydrogen toward itself. Therefore OH H, here the formation of H2O, that is water. How water is formed? That OH, that H, because this oxygen donate a pair of electron to hydrogen abstract toward itself. Now what happened after this? This bond in between carbon and hydrogen, in which the pair of electrons shifted toward carbon atom. Why? Because carbon is more electronegative than hydrogen. Therefore, this bond pair shifted towards only carbon, and this hydrogen get removed with OH to form H2. So here, what remains? That CH2. But due to shifting a pair of electron on the carbon acquires a electron pair, a lone pair of electron. Now, due to presence of electron, the carbon atom gains negative charge because this carbon is electron rich due to gaining of electron pair. So, what is the remaining part again? That is COH. We can write this COH. Now, this carbon species contain a negative charge. Therefore, it is carbanion ion. Now that carbanium ion forming the first step of the reaction. So, which is the first step in the Aldol condensation reaction? The first step is removal of alpha hydrogen from aldehyde or ketone. Those aldehyde ketone that taken in the reaction. For example, like sometimes acetaldehyde, sometimes acetone. This reaction of acetaldehyde, that is ethanol. Now, after alpha hydrogen removal, which species form? That is carbanium. And which species called carbanium? The species that contain the negative charge on it. That carbon species called as carbanium. How the carbanium is formed? The hydroxide ion, OH minus ion from alkali, that base that attack on the alpha hydrogen atom, and that alpha hydrogen atom by donating a pair of electron to alpha hydrogen, and that alpha hydrogen now attached with OH to form H2O. Now what again remains? The pair of electron in between carbon and hydrogen shifted completely toward the carbon atom. Therefore, here is the lone pair of electron form. So, due to presence of lone pair of electron, the negative charge gains by the carbon because this carbon is electron rich. Now, that about the first step, formation of carbanium. Now, we are going to discuss the second step. Now, after the formation of the carbanium in the first step, the second step of mechanism is the attack of carbanium. That carbanium that formed in the previous step, that carbanium attack on second molecule of aldehyde and ketone. We know that in Aldol condensation reaction, there are two molecules of aldehyde or ketone that use in the reaction. Therefore, here the second molecule of aldehyde and ketone that attacked by carbanium ion that formed in the previous step. After this attack, the formation of alkoxide ion takes place. Which ion takes place? Alkoxide ion. Here, the oxygen atom present with the remaining structure, therefore it called as alkoxide ion. Now, how the alkoxide ion is formed? So, we know that CH2 with carbon contain a lone pair of electron, that is electron rich carbon, therefore having negative charge. COH. We know that this is the carbanion of ethanol, because we are going to discuss the example of ethanol. This mechanism we are going to discuss by using the example of ethanol, that is acetaldehyde. So that carbanion attack on the second molecule of aldehyde and ketone. So here second molecule of again ethanol, acetaldehyde. So that is CS3 COH, that is second molecule of ethanol, that is acetaldehyde. So what happened in this step? This electron rich carbon of carbanion that attacks on carbonyl carbon of second molecule. Because this carbonyl carbon is electropositive, that do not contain a more electron pair. Therefore, it is not more electronegative, it is electropositive than this carbon. So, due to presence of lone pair of electron toward this carbon of carbanion, this carbon donate a pair of electron to this carbon and form the bond with that carbon. So, what happened? Here the formation of that CS3 remains same. That CS3 remains same. But that carbon now attached with this carbon. But how? That carbon donate this pair of electron to the carbon and form single bond with this carbon. Why this carbon gains an electron? Because this carbon is electropositive than this carbon. So here the bond forming between this carbon and carbon. Now connect these two carbon, that CH, and after donating the electron pair by this carbon to this carbon and form single bond, this bond pair shifted toward this oxygen atom. This bond pair shifted toward this oxygen atom. Now what happened? This oxygen already having the two electron pair. This oxygen atom of carbonyl carbon having already two electron pair. Now shifting the electron pair of that bond toward this oxygen, because this oxygen is more electronegative. Therefore, this complete bond pair, that is two electron, shifted on that oxygen after attack of this carbon on that carbon. So therefore, that CS, that CH, and now due to shifting of this bond pair on oxygen, that oxygen contain three pairs of electron. That oxygen with single bond, because the double bond that converted into electron pair. Now here that oxygen gains three pair, two already and one pair from this bond shifted on oxygen. Why that pair shifted towards only oxygen? Because oxygen is more electronegative than carbon. And now after that this carbon connected with this carbon through the single bond, that CH2 remains same, that CH2, and remaining CHO. This is the alkoxide ion. Alkoxide ion. Why this ion is called alkoxide ion? Because this is the part of the respective alkyl group, and due to presence of this oxygen atom, single oxygen atom, that is called as alkoxide, and due to presence of this electron pair, that is charge, it is alkoxide ion. Now in this way, alkoxide ion formed by the attack of carbanion on second molecule of ethanol. Now remember again what happened in the second step. Second step, that is related to attack of carbanion on second molecule of aldehyde and ketone to form respective alkoxide ion. How the alkoxide ion is formed? The carbanion that is formed in the previous step, that carbanion now attack on the carbonyl carbon of the second molecule of aldehyde or ketone by donating its lone pair to the carbonyl carbon. They form the single bond with them. Now after that, the remaining pair of electron in between carbonyl carbon and oxygen shifted towards only oxygen. Therefore, oxygen form 3 pairs of electron on them. Now, this type of the structure is called alkoxide ion. That is about the second step. Now, after the second step, the third step, that is removal of proton by alkoxide ion. Removal of proton by alkoxide ion from water to form respective product, that is under. We will describe this step also. Now, after the formation of the alkoxide ion in the second step, the third and last step of mechanism is removal of proton. Proton, that is H plus, hydrogen atom. That proton by alkoxide ion, who that remove the hydrogen, that is proton, from the respective water, that is alkoxide ion. So our last and third step, that is removal of proton, that is H plus. That proton removed by the alkoxide ion, that forming the previous step, and that proton get removed from water. And what happened after this? The product obtained, that is under is obtained. So therefore, last step is removal of proton, that is H plus, by alkoxide ion from water to form respective product, that is under. Now we know that CH3 CHO, oxygen with 3 electron pair, CH2 CHO is the respective alkoxide ion from the previous step. That alkoxide ion remove the proton from water. So water is HOH, H2. That oxygen of water contain already 2 lone pair. Now here, what happened in this step? All the steps are reversible of mechanism. First and second also reversible. Third also reversible step. Now in this step, that oxygen atom of the alkoxide ion donate a pair of electron to this hydrogen, that means proton. So due to donating this electron pair, oxygen attract the hydrogen. So here formation of OH takes place. Now this bond pair shifted towards oxygen, because this oxygen is more electronegative than hydrogen. So therefore, by donating the pair of electrons from this oxygen to this hydrogen, hydrogen remove from that H2O and get attached with oxygen to form OH here. And now this bond pair present in this bond, that is 2 electrons shifted towards only oxygen. Therefore, oxygen form 3 electron pair. So what happened? That CH3, that CH, that oxygen donate pair to this hydrogen and attract toward itself. So therefore, oxygen with hydrogen for OH. Now here, by donating this one pair, the 2 electron pair remains on oxygen. So therefore, here formation of OH. Now remaining is same, that is CH2, and that is a CHO. And what happened here? Due to shifting of this electron pair in between hydrogen and oxygen bond, that oxygen gains a 3 electron pair. That 2 already and 1 from by breaking of the bond. So 1, 2 and 3 pairs of electron present on oxygen. Therefore, here formation of OH minus, that is hydroxide ion again. That hydroxide ion again forming the last step. Now, but with hydroxide ion, this is our product, because that contains CHO, that is aldehydic, as well as OH, it means alcoholic group. Therefore, it is a respective generally called aldol. But for this example, we know that this is the carbonyl carbon, this is alpha carbon, and next to the alpha, that is beta. Therefore, beta contains hydroxy group. Therefore, it is named as according to common name system, beta OH. Therefore, hydroxy. beta hydroxy, and remaining structure 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon with CH group, that is 4 carbon aldehyde, beta hydroxy butyraldehyde. We know the general common name of the structure, that is beta hydroxy butyraldehyde, that is the respective aldol, that is our last product. It is also called as in IUPAC that 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 contain hydroxy, therefore 3 hydroxy, 4 carbon respective alkanol, that is butanol. 3 hydroxy butanol or beta hydroxy butyraldehyde, that is aldol, formed in the last step of the mechanism. In this way, the aldol condensation takes place by 3 steps. So revise again. The first step called the formation of the corresponding carbanion by the removal of alpha hydrogen from the respective aldehyde or ketone molecule by hydroxide ion. And now in the second step, that carbanion attack on the respective second molecule of aldehyde and ketone to form alkoxide ion. And that alkoxide ion in last step extract the hydrogen proton from water to form respective aldol. Now that about the mechanism of aldol condensation reaction. Please revise, write all the steps that proceed in the mechanism.